Welcome everyone to the Mad About Media YouTube channel, and today we'll be going through how to make a quick logo from anywhere in the world using your iPhone. With this video I want to make it simple, swift and effective, because nobody wants to be faffing around for ages waiting for a logo. You can get logos done from many different outlets like Fiverr, People Per Hour and those sort of websites. However, if you're looking to make a website yourself for absolutely free, then I've got the trick for you. Firstly, all you need is a phone, and then you need to go into the App Store. Right, so now when you're on the App Store, all you gotta type in is Canva. Canva is a completely free app, and there is a paid version that you can use to make sure you can get some extra images that you can use on all of your logos. That's worth it. The link to Canva will be in the description below, and if you'd like to get the Pro version, then the link is also up there. With the Pro version you get a ton of benefits like more photos, more design options, and just no restrictions on what you can make. Now we'll be designing the logo itself, so let's go into Canva. Now the app is very simple to use. There's literally no problems at all. Once you open it up, you have a ton of templates that you can use for Instagram stories, Facebook posts that fit the exact dimensions for each social post you want to do. However, today we're going to be doing a logo, so literally all you got to do is click on the logo option here on create new design, and it'll load up. Now there's loads of templates to choose from if you really want to use something as an example to start with. However, today we're just going to be completely starting from scratch. Now there's a ton of options like text options, images that you can add from your camera roll, or images that you can add from Canva's library. Now they are limited, but like I said, with the Canva Pro option you get tons of images for completely free. So again, the link for the Canva Pro is down below in the description if you'd like to check that out. However, you do not need Canva Pro to make any sort of logo, and you can get images from the internet or anything else. Canva can also be used on a desktop, so if you really want to use this for a desktop for absolutely free, then you can do. But the purpose of this video is to show people that you can make a logo from anywhere in the world. Like for example, right now I'm in my garden, you know what I mean, so I thought this would be quite a touching fit. Literally all I need is my phone, and that's it. And today we're going to make a logo for a make-believe site, because my little brother wants to watch the video for some reason at the side. Tell me what website do we want to make? Should we make a Fortnite website today?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making a Fortnite website, a logo. Okay, thank you buddy, thank you for your input. So let's go to images. So you've got over 1 million images to choose from on Canva, and like my little brother said, he wants a Fortnite logo, so we're going to pretend that we're making a Fortnite website logo today. There's not many options, so we'll leave it, okay? So there's the logo. So right, we have the Fortnite thing there, so we can position this in the center and also in the middle, and I'll show you when you exactly position in the center and middle. So if you put the wrong option in, you can go to the top here and undo it, or you could also click the redo option if you want to go back on your mistakes. We're going to get a basic colour in, so we'll go for a colour blue, and we're going to stretch it out across the whole screen. Right, there we go. Now that's covered the whole screen. We're going to find a little background to put there. Right, so I'm going to go on images again. I'm going to type in backgrounds. Now there's a ton of backgrounds to choose from, thankfully, on Canva. So we're going to use something simple like this. This will do. We'll stretch out across the whole screen, and then I believe there's options to make it transparent. Yep. So you can change the opacity of it. So if you want something to fade sort of in the background, it's easy. All you got to do is go to the transparency option, and then you can scroll it down and it will sort of blend in quite nicely. So we'll put it on 44 and you can see it has a nice blended effect. So we'll click done, and that's done. Now right now we've got a cool background, so let's start with what Logan said, and now we'll add the Fortnite logo. So the Fortnite logo's now been added again. We'll stretch it out a bit. There we go. I'll put it exactly in the middle. There we go.
If no one knows what Fortnite is, it's just a game.
my little brother said, if nobody knows what Fortnite is, it's just a game. But sure most of you know what Fortnite is, because every single kid that's under the age of 10 is obsessed with it. Literally obsessed with it. I made the mistake of getting my little brother obsessed with it, and all my other siblings are as well. So there's also the text option. You have many different fonts to choose from. So there's a ton of custom fonts that you can choose from, as well as a load of different sizes, and the user interface of Canva is completely really simple to use, and is also very fast and effective, which makes you get a logo done pretty quickly. Right, now we're going to use Man About Media's slogan, online marketing made easy, as this is what this whole channel and our whole website and our whole company is about. What I'm going to do as well is I'm going to change the font real quick. So yeah, there's a tons to choose from. I'm going to go for Apple's default font, which is Helvetica New. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Don't quote me on that, like, don't quote me, but we'll scroll all the way down, and as you can see, there's Canva have so many options to choose from. It makes it very simple to use. I use Photoshop and Affinity Photo, which are all paid photo editing tools, and for logos, Canva is literally on the same level as all of them, and it's completely free, and you don't have to download it. You can, if you want to use it on a desktop, you literally just go to the site and you can create it customly. And with Canva on your phone, it's also as simple as possible. It's the best application for making logos and any sort of graphics on your phone. I believe there is Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Spark and other things, but then they're just not as good as Canva. So they don't have Helvetica New, so we'll go with another similar font, Helvetish, or however you pronounce it. We'll just make the size of it 11. Oh no, it's gone to 13. Alright, we'll just keep it as 12, whatever. And we'll bold it as well, and then we'll just put it exactly underneath. Now, as you can see, there's illustrations that you can use, so you can put up any sort of custom design which would make your logo look a tiny bit better. And I'll just scroll through so you guys can see. I'm not going to use it for this current example. However, you can see that they have a lot of free options, and there's tons more that you can choose from. So if I want to get something similar to Fortnite, well, let's say you want to, I don't know, a Scar H or whatever is in the Fortnite game. Let's see if it comes up. Yes, it's come up straight away. And as you see, it's got a Canva logo over it, because obviously you have to pay for Canva Pro, and we've not got Canva Pro on this phone, so I'll just keep the Canva logo on. But we'll put this in the corner here. Yeah, okay. Right, now that's done in the corner. That's done in the corner now. Now let's go again. Let's look at the sticker options now. No, we'll look at that. Well, let's look at the shapes. Obviously there's tons of shapes we can choose from, and we'll put a little hexagon shape the hexagon shape in the top left corner. Alright, now that's done, and we'll put it in the white. Actually, yeah, we'll put it in the white. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little text option saying like 50% off. Obviously Fortnite is completely free, but let's say we were doing some sort of design work for them. We could put a call to action button in the top left quite easily saying 50% off, and it'll fit it to the actual size of it. So let's make it a tiny bit bigger. That'll do. If you want to make some sort of offer button, then it's simple to use as well. So say you're doing some graphic design work for any sort of client, then this is easy to use. Now the point of this video to get across is that tons of people pay for logos all the time, and now more than ever new businesses are starting because of the ongoing pandemic and crisis and everything like that. This is a simple and effective way to make money. If you'd like to do logo design work for people, then you can easily do so, like I mentioned before, on Fiverr. Literally you could sell logos for brand new companies that are starting up for literally less than £5. We always use really well designed logos from Fiverr and People Per Hour, sites like that. Obviously there's a huge demand for logos, and if you're looking to sell logos online, then the opportunity is right here for you right now. You don't even need to pay anything to make these logos for people, and you can do it straight from your phone. So it's a great opportunity. It's easy to get good at. You have a logos option right here, which you need to use Canva Pro for. If you're looking to get clients on Fiverr, people per hour, or on any other sort of website and design logos for people in return for money, then this might be an easier investment for you, because you can make logos quickly from the use of your phone by using the custom templates that they already have. If you'd like a full tutorial on how to use Canva properly with all the options on desktop and as well as you're on your iPhone, then leave a like and a comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel, because we do everything to do with online marketing and making money online. We make it easy for you to understand, and during these times we make it easy for people to be able to make a bit of side income online, or to be able to leave their job that you might not like in order to make a successful business from their own home. There's going to be more videos on how to edit videos, how to make websites, how to make your website optimized for Google rankings, because that's what we specialized in for over 10 years, and also how to do Facebook ads and social media marketing. Thank you guys for watching.